welcome back to my channel, where you can learn phrases in Egyptian Arabic. My name is Ranim, and today's lesson is going to be interesting because you'll start learning how to write in Arabic alphabet. So, if you're interested, keep watching. The first letter in the Arabic alphabet is Alif. Alif, normal sound of A. B, B, and that is also a normal sound of B. The third letter is T, T, normal sound of T. Fourth letter is Th, Th, like th in something in English. In our daily life, we replace it with a normal T, so we never actually pronounce the th sound. Our fifth and last letter for today is Gim. Gim. That way of pronunciation is only and particularly in Egypt, while in all Arabic countries it is pronounced as Jim. We in Egypt pronounce it as Gim, like go in English. Gim. Okay, now it's time for us to learn how to write them. You ready? Let's go. So, how can we write the letter Aleph? And its word for today is Ab, a father. Let's try to write it. Here we have the line, and we will just write a vertical line like that, and then that shape on top of it. And then we will write B. After our Aleph, we cannot connect. So we would just start by doing like that. It's like a pot, and then a point underneath. That is Ab. Second word that has B as well, it is Beit, home or house. We would start by writing B horizontally like that, and then the dot underneath. Then we need Ye. We will talk about that letter later. Ye, two dots. And then comes the T, which is like that. Another pot, but we have two dots on top of it, like a smiley face. Beit. Third word for us today, it is Theta, which is a colloquial way of saying grandmother. Familiar, very familiar way. First letter is T, so we go like that. Two dots, and then Ye, like this one here. We repeat it, two dots underneath, that is Ye, and then T again, like that, and then comes the Aleph. We connect it like that, and that is Theta. Ab, Beit, Theta. Fourth word is Thalg. Tha, three dots. Lam, that is the L letter, it's connected. And then the last one, it is Gim. All of it, you write it like that. And then a dot inside it. That is Thalg, meaning ice or snow as well. Then we have the fifth word for today is Gabal, mountain. Starting with Gim, we would only need the head, Gim like that, the dot underneath, and then we have B again, B, and then lamb, connected like that. And that was today's lesson. I hope it was useful. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you soon. Ciao, ciao!